Hello, welcome to BGP Master Class. Today lab is BGP load balancing. So today lab is the single S load balancing, or you can say the dual home. Okay, single S load balancing, or you can say the dual home. So what is the in BGP there is a two type of load balancing and load sharing is there. Exactly, if you have multiple connectivity within a single ISP, means for example, your this is your ISP and this is your office. Okay, this is your office. So the connectivity between you have two or more connectivity between the single service provider. So you can configure the load balancing in that scenario. That is called dual home. Okay, so another is there. Another is one point. If you have multiple service provider, this is your office. So if you have multiple connectivity between the multiple service provider, for example, this is the ISP1 and this is the ISP2. So you cannot do here the load balancing. Okay, for in this scenario, you cannot do the load balancing. Here you only do the load sharing only. Okay, load sharing you can do the. I have already have a load sharing video in our channel. Please check out that load sharing video. And today lab is the load balancing. Load balancing, I mean single home. This is the ISP1 single service provider. We have multiple connectivity to our organization. So we show how to for example, if you are giving the show IP BGP, so maybe this is the primary path and this is the secondary path. So all the traffic towards internet using the this path only. So today will we do the lab. We do the lab like you are using this path and this path also. For example, if you are for example, if this is, you have two connectivity here. Here one public server is there, XYZ. For example, one public server, your traffic will be going via using this link. So this link is your secondary link for redundancy link. You are not using this redundancy link because of by default BGP don't do the load balancing. We need to the configure you need to set up the load balancing. Okay, so if you have to the connection, so today practical is the single S load balancing, or you can call the dual home. From the single service provider you have the multiple connectivity. Okay, so already I have the mm, I have the I do some lab from here. Uh, mm, uh, I do some lab here. This is our office, and this is the internet public server. 100.100.100.100. Assume that this is the public server. Okay, this is the ISP1 service provider one. Both our periods router configure as a single service provider. Okay, and this is our office which configure BGP, and this is internet. So normally what happened, our traffic will be going towards the internet public server via this link. So this link is you are used for the redundancy purpose, but you are not using this path. So today when we are sending the traffic via towards the internet public server, we see both paths are using. Okay, both paths are using. So how to do that? Actually, what happened no, in BGP? If you are here, if you are configure here BGP. Normally external BGP configure all the routers. So after that, you are here configure the public server, because we need to ping and trace that public server to check the path. So if you are show IP BGP for this path, so you will be see the this path or this path. For example, this path you will be to see the this path you will be see the best path. Okay, so we will be do one command in under the BGP configuration mode, BGP maximum hop. No, two, because we have two, we need two path. Okay, by default maximum path is one, but we make as a maximum path two okay, in BGP configuration mode. Okay, if you are giving show protocol here, so you will be see the maximum path is showing the one. Okay, if you are giving in BGP going to BGP router BGP 2 and giving the maximum path 2, so now after that you will be see the ping and trace report, both paths are using. Okay, so let's start the configuration. So I'll be do the some I'll be configure something here in Notepad. So this is the single S load balancing dual home you can call, and for here this is the router one this router. So here configuration one loopback IP as in public server, and configuration BGP3, this is AS3, and I just make it is this one neighbor and this one neighbor. Okay, R2 neighbor and R3 neighbor, and in advertise in BGP this public server. Okay, nothing do anything. Okay, then in R2, R2 configure just BGP1, because this is AS1 and BGP1. Just I make it is R1 is neighbor and R2 and sorry R4 is the neighbor. Okay, R4 is the neighbor and R2 is the neighbor, like that R3 also configuration same thing. So saying R1 neighbor and R4 neighbor, just neighborship, and I configure the R4 also same thing, R2 neighbor, R2 never, sorry, R3 never and R2 never, and I configure the these two network, because if your advertise two network, because destination should know the your source network, then only you can ping. Okay, otherwise you are not able to access the internet. So that I will be in source side I will be configure my our source direct interface. So from the source destination should know where that source will be come. Okay, so I do the all the configuration here. Here I saw, if you are here seeing, I not nothing do anything. Mm, I didn't configure anything, BGP and all, BGP and all, no router configuration anything. Just I configure the all the direct interface IP address. See, I didn't configure anything. Okay. Okay, so I started the configuration in R1. Okay, R1 I passed this one, and R2. Okay, I R2 paste this one. Okay, and R3. R3 paste one, and R4. Okay, all configuration has done. Now will be see the once BGP will be off everywhere. After that we will see the output. Okay. Now all the BGP are come. Now I am in R4. Okay, R4. I need to check the for 100 network. How will be traffic flow? So IP BGP. Okay. So let's wait 1 minute, because that it will take little bit time. Um, so see the configuration again during that time. So R1 in internet side I configure one loopback and advertise direct connected never as a BGP never, and that public server I advertise in BGP, and then just R2 and R3 just advertise eBGP never, nothing do anything, and R4 also configure eBGP never both, and because of I want to access the public server, so I advertise this office side network, so R1 should know the where is the source will become, source network should be available, so that I configure everything. So let's check so IPVGP. Now see for 100 dot network, this is the best path, okay, or to the via 2, this is the best path, and via 3 is the not best path, means this path valid and best path, because in the and this path is the only valid path, okay. So if you are sending the traffic from pink. Okay, so ping and trace means the traffic going via 2, then it will be going to the 1. Okay, so traffic going like this. So we do some changes here, and R4. Now we will be see the traffic will be go by 2 paths. So if you are so IP protocol. So IP protocol. So if you see, this is the BGP2, and here see maximum path 1. Okay, so that BGP nothing don't do the load balancing by default. So I will be change this maximum path as 1. So configure the router BGP2 uh, maximum path 2. Okay, maximum path now 1 is there. Now I will make as a 2. Okay, okay, done. So again show protocol, you see the maximum path now changed to the 2. Okay, now show IPBGP. See, this is coming for 100 m nothing but it is the multipath. Okay, so if you see multipath, configure multipath, so if you are accessing 100 dot, so your both path will be used. See, 100 dot 100 dot 100 dot 100. Okay, trace route. See, if you are see the your traffic will be to both paths are using. Okay, the 2.4.2 and 3.4.3, both paths are using. And thank you for the watching. Please subscribe our channel BGP Masterclass to know to watch the more BGP video. Thank you for watching.